Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to continue our intense game. So let's make it. So I realized I didn't put a wait 3 seconds here. The difference is we have to wait a little time and then it will do this. So yeah, let's continue. Platforms. We'll events when I receive play. Go to variables. You have to make a variable x, y, turn, and it has to be for the sprite only. So we'll set x to 0, set everything to 0. And then we'll set ghost effect to 100, control, repeat 100. We will change ghost effect by -1, and then forever we'll make a new block. So play first. So we'll put play here. Okay. So we'll put here if operators or and a more than sign, sensing, touching, edge, go to motion, while position is more than -160, we will go to events, we'll broadcast, reset, and we'll define play. We will change y by -1, motion, we'll change y by y, so we're gonna do if touching color, we'll show this. If touching color black, then we will control, repeat until not touching color black, and then we will change y by 1, and then we'll go to variables, we'll set y by 0, control, if key arrow pressed, go to variables, we'll set y to 10, so now you can jump, and you can't move around yet. Oh, I forgot it. We have to go to x, 0, y, 100. So here we'll control, if key right arrow pressed, with variables, we'll change x by 0.5, I'll do the same to the left arrow. Make it 0.5. And then we'll change turn by 0.2. And then we'll change turn by -2. And then we'll set x by 2x times 0.99. And then we'll change x by x. And then we'll set turn, duplicate this, turn times 0.99, go to motion, we'll turn this, and yeah. So now I think you can turn and game is like normal. And jump, oops. Yeah. So we will decrease this to 8. Game's not. Game's a little slow. That's okay. Oops. Let me say 5. Does it glitch? Okay. Oh, that's a little bad. 6. I think that's it. Okay. And there you go. You have your character moving through obstacles. And there you go. I lost. Okay. So let's go here. We'll add an if operators less than motion y position less than -1, 6, 4, and then we'll set y to -165. So if you touch the bottom, okay, we can turn it. It's cool turning. Okay, so now we have our player moving. Now we'll go to start. Button. And then we'll go to events. When I receive reset, we will the event will broadcast start button. Let's go to player. Broadcast reset. We will repeat 100. We'll change ghost effect by 1. And then we'll hide. So if you lose, I'll show you an example of losing. Oops. We are here. Here, when I receive reset, we'll control. We will stop other scripts in Sprite. and then we will delete this clone. We'll delete every clone. I put stop button. Oh, you should put this here and then here. So that will be easy. Okay, and let's try and start again. I think it can't do it. Oh, and there you go. So, thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to leave a like, comment, share and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Bye. And the next part will be the fruits code. So, stay tuned.